Kia ora koutou, welcome back. My name's Sasha and today I've got such a cool skill for you. I think you're really going to enjoy it. It is definitely a lot harder. Okay, so we're stepping the level up, but I have confidence in you, okay? So I really think that you can get it with a little bit of practice. It's called the caboose. Okay, the caboose is a type of ground cross. So I'm going to teach you your very first ground cross. I'm so excited about it. Okay. I'm going to show you what it looks like to start with. It also involves what we call a ground stall, all right? Here it is. Don't be scared, okay? You've got this. There we go. That is the caboose. Cool, huh? And it's a really cool way to change from going forward jumping to backwards jumping. We're going to break it down a little bit. I'm going to give a couple of different levels for you as well. So let's start with level 1. Everyone start on level 1. So we start with what we call a ground stall. So as we come over the top, we're going to bring the rope down to the ground and basically stop it, or try to stop it. So we've got that loop in front of us like that. Remember we did that with the push-up, if you've seen the push-up video. Okay, then we need to straddle out our legs a little bit so there's some room. Then we sweep the rope. So we're going to sweep the rope underneath and cross our arms behind our legs. Okay, so we want to make sure, so it's opposite arm goes under opposite leg, and we're trying to cross underneath the knee part, so not up quite high, underneath the knees. And see how my handles are pointing out to the sides? That's kind of what we need, because we need that rope to come over in a nice loop so we can jump it. So let's do that bit again. So we're going to come over the top, stop it on the ground, stall it. We straddle out our legs a little bit. They don't need to be super wide, okay? So just sort of a little bit bigger than hip width, I guess. And then we're going to sweep the rope behind and cross opposite arm under opposite knee and bring it up over the head. Sometimes it might not come up over the head, okay? We've got to give it quite a big sweep to make sure we've got that momentum for it to come over the head. The other thing we can do with our arms, there's two ways. There's a cross caboose, which is what I'm doing. There's also an open caboose. So I guess decide which one is easier for you. I'll show you what the open one looks like. So we come down and we stall the rope. Then instead of crossing, we just go, so same arm under same leg. So try that one. That one might be easier. And remember, we're crossing underneath the knees and not too high up the leg. All right. Let's have a little go at that one. So come down, stall it, bring it up and over. Once it's up and over, see how it's in front of my feet? The next step for level 1 is just to step over it. Step over, then we come out into a backwards jump. Okay, so this is a really cool way to change direction of the rope. So let's have a look at that. There we go. Okay, level 2. The next level is to jump it instead of stepping over the top. So what we would do this time is, once it comes up over our head when we're in the caboose position, give it a little jump and see if we can get over the rope. So here we go. Come down to the ground, stall it, up and over, jump, and then into a backwards. Here we go. Let's have a look in slow-mo. There you go. So that one is definitely a little bit harder. That's your very first ground cross. I'm so proud of you. So keep practicing. That one's going to take a little bit longer to get. Remember my key tips: cross underneath the knee. Make sure you've got those handles pointing out. You need to keep it there to jump before you come into the backwards. Okay? Keep rotating those wrists. Even though they're underneath your legs and it feels a little bit weird, keep rotating them to bring that rope up and over the head. Okay? You've got this. I'll see you in the next video. Ka kite anō.